Make the everyday sound epic with QuietComfort Earbuds. In this video, we'll give you an overview of the controls. Both earbuds feature a touch surface that can control media playback, adjust the volume, answer calls, and change the noise cancellation setting. Let's take a look. A single tap will pause or play your music. Double tap to skip to the next track, and triple tap to skip to the previous track. A single tap will also answer an incoming call. Double tap to end a call or to decline an incoming call. To increase the volume, tap and then touch and hold the right earbud. To decrease the volume, tap and then touch and hold the left earbud. Release once you've reached the desired volume level. You can also adjust the volume using the volume controls on your device. And finally, if you touch and hold an earbud for 1 second, you will change the noise cancellation setting. There are 3 settings: quiet, aware, and off. Quiet provides full noise cancellation to reduce unwanted background noise. Aware amplifies background noise so you can be aware of the sounds around you. And off allows you to conserve battery life. Now, all these touch controls can be personalized to your preference within the Bose QCE app. Tap touch controls on the product control screen. Now you can change the actions for a single press, double press, triple press, and hold on both the right and left earbud. The actions you choose can be the same or different for each earbud. There's also a reset to default button located at the bottom. Whenever the app is open on your device or running in the background, a voice prompt will announce
"Voice control on."
This gives you the ability to control your earbuds using just your voice. Simply say, "Hey headphones," listen for the tone, and then say your request. For example, "Hey headphones, pause." "Hey headphones, play." You can find a list of available commands within the voice control section of the app. When receiving an incoming call, you don't even need to say "Hey headphones." Just say "Accept" to answer a call or "Reject" to decline a call. If you want to access your mobile device's voice assistant, say "Hey headphones, assistant," and then say your request. You can even use your headphones to take a remote selfie. Open the camera app on your mobile device and then say, "Hey headphones, take photo." Or if you prefer, assign a touch control to take a photo. That's been an overview of the controls on your Bose QuietComfort Earbuds. For additional support, visit our website.